For 2 years, a woman I trusted with my daughter's entire life spent every single day inside my home. She fed her, she sang to her, she taught her how to walk. Then, 13 months ago, we said goodbye, and I thought I'd never hear from her again. She still opens my Instagram profile every night, and she has never said one word. Her name was Rosa. When money got tight and we couldn't keep paying her, she hugged my daughter one last time and walked out our door in tears. I thought that was the end of it. So last month, when I installed one of those apps that show who really opens your profile, I expected an ex, a coworker, a stranger. The #1 visitor was Rosa. The first night, I counted 41 opens. The next night, 38. Then 52. Always the same window, 8:15 in the evening, the exact hour she used to give my daughter her bath. I almost blocked her. For a whole week, I told myself she was obsessed, that something was wrong with her. Then I looked at what she was actually opening. Not my photos, not my life, only the posts with my daughter in them. The first day of school, the missing front tooth, the birthday party she was never invited to. So I messaged her, and she finally told me why she really left. It was never about the money. 3 months before she quit, her doctors had found something. She didn't have long, and she couldn't let my little girl watch her fade away. So she vanished, and loved her the only way she had left, through a screen, in complete silence. People who watch you the most are almost never the loud ones. They're the ones who slip away without a sound, still holding on from a distance you'd never think to look. Someone opens your profile every night too. Someone who never says a word. You deserve to know who. Check the link in the description.